In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in Wix. Whether you're setting up a brand new online store or updating your current catalog, this process is essential for efficiently managing your product listings. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, head over to your Wix dashboard by visiting the Wix homepage. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your command center for managing various aspects of your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. From here, navigate to the Catalog section. This section is where the magic happens for product management. Clicking on Catalog will bring you to a page where all your product listings reside. Think of this as the digital shelf of your online store where every product detail can be managed. Next, click on Products. This action takes you deeper into your catalog, giving you a detailed view of all items currently listed, or as a placeholder for what you'll soon add. Here you can view details like names, SKUs, prices, and inventory status. Key details that help you keep track of your stock levels and ensure your store runs smoothly. Now it's time to look at more advanced options. Click on More Actions. This button is usually represented by 3 dots or a menu icon, giving you additional functionalities beyond the basic view. It's these extra options that allow you to customize and manage your products more profoundly. In the submenu that appears, you'll want to click on Import. This selection brings you to the core feature for bringing in large volumes of product data without manually entering each item. Using the import function can save countless hours, especially for big inventories. Before you proceed, you'll need a template. Click on Download CSV File. A CSV file is a type of spreadsheet file that you can open and edit using Excel or Google Sheets. Downloading this template is crucial as it provides the right structure for your data, ensuring that once you upload your products, all information aligns perfectly with Wix's system. Once your CSV file is ready and filled with your product information, return to your Wix dashboard and click on Wix CSV with your products. This step is essential because it confirms which CSV you are about to upload, avoiding any mix-ups with other files that might be on your system. With everything prepared, it's time to click on Upload CSV File. This command will prompt you to browse your computer and select the file you want to import. Ensure this file is up to date and contains all the product data you wish to add to your store. After selecting the file, click on Continue. This is a confirmation step, signaling to Wix that you are ready to proceed with the import. Be sure to review any summary or alerts provided in this process. They often help catch errors before the actual import. Finally, click on Import 13 products, or however many items your CSV contains. This action initiates the import process, and within moments, your new products will populate your Wix store. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import products into your Wix store. By using these steps, you streamline managing your inventory and ensure your online store is up to date.